Good morning for River Mountain Homestead. This is Angela. We're headed out this morning to go to Baker Creek Spring Planting Festival, and we stopped up here at the rest stop and thought this was just absolutely beautiful this morning and thought we would share it with you. We have arrived at Baker's Creek Spring Planting Festival, and as you can see, there's quite a bit to do. So we're going to roam around and see what we can find, and if we find something interesting, we'll bring you along.
Oh, there's more right here. Where's Michelle? Oh, we just got
Different colors. Oh.
He spread his wings.
Wow.
He's showing off.
Beautiful.
In a few years, you end up with a sweater.
In a few years, yeah.
People want to have solar, they think
I just
like,
learned to crochet, if that
I don't know
tells
if
you
it's
anything.
live off-grid, you know, or
Very
have
nice.
solar.
Now that I've got time,
So people
you can
that
ask
live off-grid or have solar
go
think
from
you can
wool
rub against
to
that.
making your own yarn to knitting
Everybody
your
has to do
or
it.
crocheting your own blanket.
there you go.
I just need some Pyrenees hats.
Okay, there you go.
Yeah, we have a couple Pyrenees. And we have fur everywhere.
Right? Yep.
Lots of extra
Harvest
fur.
from the couch.
Yeah.
How's it going, man? What's up, little man? How are you? Man, you're going like these.
Do it. Oh, sorry.
What's up? How are you?
Do you want to try it?
Go, man.
Try it?
Where's Mom?
Opening this one time got hard or something. That's possible, yeah. Maybe got Trump.
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
And because other folks are interested in the
Yeah, I said some of my students over there.
but
That's cool.
We can just kind of edit, I guess.
Alright guys, it was
pretty warm today. Storm's supposed to be coming in here in a little bit this afternoon, so we're going to try to sneak out while we can and start heading back south and check on some dogs. Got a chance to get in there and talk to Doug from OffGrid with Doug and Stacy, and may have snuck a little footage in of him in there somewhere. We got to visit with Kevin and Sarah from Living Traditions Homestead, and met a lot of folks in there. There's a lot of neat stuff.
We really enjoyed it.
You can tell she's out of breath coming up the hill out of there.
I am exhausted from that hill, but
we didn't want to stand in line for lunch. And, you know, fat kids got hungry, so we decided we'd go find some lunch somewhere with some air
conditioning. We did have some beans. I tried the beans. They were pretty good. But yeah, we got to see quite a bit of stuff. We weren't really here to buy anything. We just wanted, this is our first time, and we just kind of wanted to check things out and see what...
Before everybody asks, what does your shirt say? There you go.
We just kind of wanted to check everything out and, you know, meet a few people. We also got to see Miss Vicki from Little Creek Homestead, and Sammy and Bailey. We got to see her again after dropping her off yesterday. She looked pretty happy. So, yeah, all in all, we had a pretty good time. It's been a great weekend, and we're ready to go home. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed today. I didn't get a whole lot of footage just because I was so busy looking myself. But, yeah, so I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.